What's going on, everybody? This is Alex from Motor Life, and as you can see, we got a little bit of snow out here. And if you're a true rider, one thing you definitely know is you've got to check the pressure on your tires in the cold. And we have this awesome little mini pump from ASMAX. All right, this thing is awesome. It's tiny. It fits in your backpack. It has a couple different modes, so you can do motorcycles, bicycles, or car. You can choose and adjust the pressure, and it has an awesome little light on the bottom. All right, so we love this little pump so much that we are going to give one away to you. So make sure you go down right now, hit a thumbs up on this video, and hit a comment. Let me know you're here, and that'll make you eligible for the giveaway. So make sure you go down there. That way we know you're here, and then I'm going to pick somebody from down there in the comments to get one of these awesome little mini pumps here. So as you can see, we got the snow ski attachment on the BT100 version 2 here. It's on a Cranbrook frame, regular everything else is pretty stock, and we're gonna go ahead and see if we can fire it up and take it out for a spin in this winter wonderland. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and do it. All right, we are not off to a good start. So went ahead and tried to get started. Wanted to start, but then like I blew out my gear in the back completely. I destroyed all the internals to the back wheel here. So I don't know if I wanted to put a new wheel on it, or the only other bike I got ready to go is the Motor Life bike here. So honestly, I think I'm gonna put the ski on this felt faker here with this 80cc with this pipe and everything. I think it's gonna do absolutely awesome. So let's go ahead and get the ski on this guy here. All right, so switch up of plans here. So we got the ski on this felt faker here, this Motor Life bike. So this bike, we actually took some of the best parts that Bikeberry had back in the day and then made this awesome package for them. Now this engine has evolved since then. Now, this actually has a ZEDA bottom end with a couple mixture of different parts on the top end here. So it is closer to a ZEDA 80 than a BBR 80 at this point, but it still does have that old style exhaust expansion chamber, which we're going to switch it out to the new ZDX in another episode. But I was having issues with the carburetor. It was acting like it wasn't getting gas, so I checked the filter inside the petcock. I checked, made sure it was flowing. The needle actually got stuck on the float, and we had to take apart the whole carburetor. So got the filter off on that one. It is working now, but just know that my old gas gummed up that needle inside that float, so it wouldn't even work. So if you're having that issue where your bike won't start, that might be it. I actually got this little kind of bike trainer thing on at garage sale, actually. So I got it for like 15 bucks. So we're going to get it started on this guy here, so I don't have to go out and try to start it in the snow. First time I did, I broke off my pedal, immediately ripped off my pedal. So went and got a half-inch bolt here and a locking nut. And honestly, this is going to be strong enough just to get me there. So this definitely is something to think of. If you're on the road and you get stranded, you can literally just grab a bolt and it'll get you back home at least. So we're going to fire this thing up on this and then see how she does, and then take her out on the snow here. Typical Illinois fashion. The snow is actually melting because the other day it was -7 here, and it's about to be back up in the 50s here this week. So I'm about to see if we can tear up the snow while we still have it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, I don't know if you guys saw what was wrong there. Rookie move. Ain't got no gas in it. Got to turn the gas on. All right, so it runs. It runs, nice, it runs, cool. All right, got pound it, it runs. I can definitely tell she's got a little bit of air leak somewhere, but it is also super cold out here still. All right, but I think she's ready to go. Let's see if she'll let her rip, Tater Chip. All right, guys, she's ready to take a rip here, so make sure to hit that thumbs up to be entered for our giveaway for that mini bike pump, and comment bike pump down below, or just tell us what you're up to for this Christmas season. So go down, hit thumbs up, comment bike pump, and you will be entered for the giveaway for the free mini bike pump from ASMAX. Let's go ahead and see what this thing can do. Guys, thank you for joining me. This has been fun. I'm gonna go take this out. I think I'm running out of film here, so we're gonna go do this thing for a rip. was absolutely fun. You can see it's not perfect. There's a big air leak somewhere that I'm gonna have to get figured out. But that was at least fun. We did it. We threw a ski on the Motor Life bike here. I can barely breathe. I can barely think. That was an absolute blast out there. So we went all the way up to the church and back, and it made it here. So we're gonna see what we can do to get this thing running better. And don't forget, go down right now. Go down, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you comment bike pump to be entered for that free bike pump giveaway that we're gonna announce on a later episode. So thumbs up, comment, and we'll see all of you cool people on the next one. Have a great holiday out there.